Palitan ang tubig ng klorera 2 beses sa isang linggo. Alisin ang tubig sa paminggalan. Linisin ang mga lulod. Itapon ang mga bagay na maaaring pangitlugan ng lamok. Magpatingin sa health center kung may lagnat na ng 2 araw. Gawing dengue-free ang inyong barangay. Mag-aksyon barangay kontra dengue. Isang paalala mula sa inyong DOH.
Nakausap natin si Dean Amado Valdez. Ayan po yung ating ilang pong napapanood na mga itsura sa session hall sa araw-araw. Alam niyo po yung babaeng napanood natin ay yung babaeng napanood natin. Lagi po siya nakaupo dun sa likuran ng podium ng senator judges.
At minsan sa prosecution side naman.
At marami sumisikat dahil po dito sa impeachment trial.
Para po dun sa mga nagtatanong sa akin, walang tigil, nagtatanong sa Twitter at sa Facebook kung sino yung babae lagi na yun. Yun po ay isa
Hindi
sa
po
mga
yun
staff
ikaw.
ng senador.
Okay, yan po daw isang staff at nakakausap natin ang mga senator judges, nakakausap din po natin yung mga spokespersons, pero yung buong atmosphere dito sa Senado ay still very festive, still very positive. Alam niyo po, ang kagandahan dito ay hindi po negative ang lumalabas na spirito out of this entire exercise. Kaya ikaw, tumatambay ka din dito kasama natin. Para lang, just to give an idea to our mga countrymen, ano ang nafe-feel mo sa atmosphere ng Senado for this impeachment?
Dito po sa Senado, napaka-light. Parang there's an air of civility lang na parang kahit ang bigat nung pinag-uusapan, tsaka may mga kampo from both sides, walang animosity. Parang lahat nag-comfortable sa isa't isa, tapos light, napag-uusapan lahat. So, maganda ito para makita din ng taong bayan na kahit may malaki man yung gap ng pinaniniwalaan ng bawat panig, pwede mag-usap ng that you can still respect one another and still aim for the truth without, besmirching other people.
Si Cathy was here during the previous impeachment trial.
Yes.
Cathy, ibang-iba ba dati?
Well, it was mostly the same. The same, you can still feel the same excitement. Tinatawag mo daw ako na mas matanda. Noon lang, no, mas limitado yung galaw dito sa media room, no. Lahat siksikan, tabi-tabi na kami pag nagre-report ng live. So nagkakarinigan kami, medyo magulo, but it was very exciting. It was an exciting time for everybody.
Alam nyo, dito lahat nag-iisip po. Nag-aaral yung mga congressmen, nag-aaral yung mga host, nag-aaral po itong mga senator judges, pati po yung ating resource persons. Carl, how are you taking all of this? Talagang na-absorb pa ba lahat?
So far, oo naman po. Nakakatulong din na pag-uusapan din siya sa mga klase at sa mga estudyante at nasusubaybayan siya ng mga kasama namin sa trabaho. So, nakakatulong na yung information, yung flow ng information patuloy lang. Maganda po na nakikita natin na may mga batas na kailangan pang i-improve at kahit na welcome distraction nga itong paglilitis na ito, nakikita natin na pwede pang gamitin yung oras na ito para mag-improve ng batas natin.
At yan, nakikita natin, Mark, no, patuloy pa rin ang pag-aantabay natin
Si
lahat.
Congressman Barzaga.
Oo, we are still holding our breath, no? Baka meron pa tayong malaman mula dito sa mga PS Bank official kasi parang kanina, Mark, no, napansin natin pareho na they were almost volunteering information. Ito nga presidente ng bangko, ilang accounts ang tinanong at may sinabi pa siyang meron pa pong 2, ngunit hindi pa natin inilalahad.
Ito pong napapanood natin ngayon, former Senator Maceda, isang kolumnista na po ngayon, naging leader po ng ating bansa, occupied several positions. He's here every day, almost every day, at talagang nagmamasid sa ating proceedings. Nabanggit mo, Cathy, yung mukhang voluntary na pagbigay ng impormasyon nitong ating bank officials. But this came, sa tingin ko lang po, as a result of not just the advice of their legal counsel, probably, pero sa tingin ko, matagal din parang pinersuade sila ng mga senador. At yung mga panawagan ng mga bawat senador ay talagang sincero Na-feel nyo din ba yun, Carl, na yung panawagan nila, yung plea nila, and even using the experience during the era of impeachment na si Clarissa Ocampo, voluntarily did it?
I think po epektibo yung plea ng mga senador kasi dahil dito naiiwasan na kailangan pang pumunta sa Supreme Court, mag-issue ng TRO, yung sinasabing banggaan between different departments. Dahil pwede naman palang voluntary makipag-cooperate with the banking system. At lumalabas naman na if everyone's cooperating and in the spirit of searching for truth and justice, kaya naman pala.
At yun din ang sinabi kahapon ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano, hindi namin kayo pinahihirapan dito at naiintindihan namin kayo. Bumalik na po sa loob ng Senate Session Hall si Presiding Officer Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile. Panuorin po natin ang pagpapatuloy ng paglilitis.
We're ready to resume, Mr. President.
Session trial resume.
Mr. President, may I? Earlier, before the suspension of the trial, the presiding officer mentioned that a subpoena be issued to Congressman Banal. There are members of the court who would like to instead invite him first, instead of issuing a subpoena, considering that he is a member of the House of Representatives. Perhaps we can do that, Mr. President, or we can take it up on Monday during the caucus.
What is the pleasure of the lady senator from Iloilo who made the motion?
Miriam. I'm.
Is the
Perhaps.
is the lady senator from Iloilo still here?
Well, at the moment, Mr. President, I will try to. I will do my best to get in touch with her at the soonest possible time and ask if she is amenable to my proposition and the proposition of the other members of the court.
Anyway, you can make a motion, move for a motion for consideration of the ruling, given the fact that no one objected, so it can be decided by the body.
Yes, I so move, Mr. President, that we invite instead.
Can I
May we recognize Senator Arroyo?
Senator Arroyo has the floor.
Mr. President, I think in respect to Congressman Banal, we should just invite him. I mean, let's not think of him, as an interparliamentary courtesy. He comes from the.
Any objection to the motion and to just to reconsider the previous motion of the lady senator from Iloilo, which was approved by the chair, to just invite this member of the House of Representatives to appear here to explain his side. Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Thank you,
Just
Mr.
one
President.
question, Mr. President. May I?
Proceed.
I just want to find out, is Congressman Banal a member of the House Judiciary Committee? Committee on Justice and Human Rights, or whatever.
Your Honor, he is an ex-official member of the Committee on Justice.
Why ex officio?
He is my deputy majority leader, one of the deputy majority leaders, and he's an ex-official member of the Justice Committee of the House.
That's all I want to know. Thank you.
Senator,
Majority
may we recognize the birthday celebrant tomorrow, Mr. President, Senator Jingo Estrada.
Senator Jingo Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. Isang katanungan lang kay Congressman Tupas. Meron po tayong bagong revelasyon na si Congressman Banal daw ang unang nakakuha nung sinasabing dokumento. Ayon din sa testigo, sino ba talaga nauna? Si Congressman Banal o yung pag-abot ng maliit na babae nung kay Congressman Umali?
Your Honor, wala akong alam doon sa nangyari before nung February 2 ng gabi. Kasi yung nakuha ko yung dokumento, yung pinakauna nakita ko po February 2 ng gabi. At kaya nung kinabukasan, inattach na namin dun sa supplemental request for subpoena.
So yung ginamit yung inattach dito doon sa supplemental request, yun yung galing kay Congressman Umali,
Yes po.
hindi kay Congressman Banal.
Galing po kay Congressman Umarin binigay sa akin.
Alright, thank you. Madam Witness, noong December 12 of 2011, do you recall how the withdrawals of the 3 accounts were made?
I will try, Your Honor, to recall.
Will we wait for your answer? Okay, we can wait. Just try and recall how the 3 withdrawals were made, or the 3 accounts.
There are so many transactions in the branch, so normally I would like to refer to a document so I
Alright.
can be sure,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Sure.
I don't have any document with me. Your Honor.
So you don't know how was it paid? Was it withdrawn in cash? Was it
It's
paid
via
through
MC.
manager's check? All through manager's check. Okay. Did you receive a call from maybe the depositor or from anybody that a large or a huge amount will be withdrawn on that day?
Yes, Your Honor.
From whom?
From the depositor, Your Honor.
Si Chief Justice Corona mismo tumawag sa inyo.
He sent, let me recall, Your Honor, medyo matagal. If I remember it correctly, Your Honor, he sent an authorization letter to his wife
And then,
so that his wife may get the
may withdraw.
manager's check. Yes, Your Honor.
Right. So you only received a written authority coming from the depositor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, Mr. President.
When the accounts were closed, in effect, you were required to allow the withdrawal of the funds from the custody of the bank, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you did comply with the request to close the account, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And was cash withdrawn to cover the total amount of the 3 accounts closed?
Manager's check, Your Honor.
Manager's check. So, do you have copies of those manager's checks?
We have the duplicate copy, Your Honor.
You have a copy of those manager's check when they were encashed to draw the cash account.
They were not encashed, Your Honor. They,
Until today, they are not, the manager's check have not returned to the bank?
I will have to check on that, Your Honor, if it was, they were already negotiated.
They have not been negotiated?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. I will have to check.
You have duplicate copies of those manager's checks?
Yes, Your Honor. We have the original underrated duplicate. Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Senator Pangilinan, Mr. President.
The gentleman from Pampanga.
Yes, Mr. President, just to connect the earlier testimony of the bank president and your testimony now, we had requested, and it was ordered by the court, that the pertinent records of the bank with respect to the withdrawal